This situation becomes even more what we say challenging to this current batch, whether it's the MBA batch or the MCA batch 2020 or 21, because this is the time when we are actually coming into the industry, when we are actually kick-starting our careers. And every year a batch comes, they pass out 2015, 16, 17, 18. But when 2020 batch comes, then they are like, why us? What's wrong with us? Matlab, humne kya kiya tha? Matlab, what's wrong in that sense altogether? But definitely we cannot control these external things. But what we can control, that is what we will be discussing today.
आपने एमबीए में एडमिशन लिया होगा तब भी आपने डिसाइड किया होगा ना कि व्हाई डू यू वांट टू डू एन एमबीए. कोई तो एक सिग्निफिकेंट रीजन रहा होगा. एक तो डेफिनेटली रहा होगा कि भाई 6-8 लाख का पैकेज डाला है. अब डिसाइड करो कि 8 लाख को अगर सपोज 7 लाख डाला है, 5 लाख डाला है, तो कितने दिन में कमाना है. ब्रेक इवन तो करना पड़ेगा ना पहले लाइफ को. ब्रेक इवन कर लो. और ब्रेक इवन के लिए ये मत सोचो कि मुझे कौन अपॉर्चुनिटी देगा. प्ले फ्रॉम योर स्ट्रेंथ. व्हेन यू प्ले strength, the blessings in disguise will come to you in forms that you can. So learn how to identify those blessings, learn how to unmask those disguising, and that will really grow big time. And because in present scenario सब डरे हुए हैं, तो अकेले तो हम है नहीं, सभी डरे हुए. कोई ज्यादा डरा हुआ है, कोई कम डरा हुआ है. जो कोई ज्यादा वरीड है, कोई कम वरीड है, राइट. और वरी करके तो कोई फायदा नहीं, because you're wasting time. You see, you're putting a wrong weight to your timeline in the first place. Because how clear your mind is and how sure you are about yourself, the less worried about you are about yourself.
After summer internship till your campus placement. So how you will analyze an industry, a company? There are simple points which I have observed at the time of myself. First, you will focus around what kind of company.
Vegetable and come back because of this lockdown situation. Okay, so this is one thing. The second is, what is the second alternative for the same process nowadays? You will just go on big basket. Okay, buy your stuff online. Okay, you will pay for the vegetables whatever you are, and then they will deliver at your doorstep. These are the same businesses, process are same. However, one is involved, human intervention, or physically you will have to go and buy, and physically you will have to pay the money and get the thing.
So there is one more scenario in automobile sector. As we know that whenever we are going to buy something like car, bike, first of all we have to research for that. For researching, where we have to go? We are talking to people, we are going to showrooms, but first of all we are going to website to get the information about the bike and car or any products. So web development and app development is going always be a boom. So as you can see that there are 50% people who can go first for the website, who can search for their products. So there is the opportunity for.
When configuring this module dependency in pom.xml, we need to ensure the jar version compatibility. So whenever we are working with the Spring application, we are using Maven tool, right? So in Maven tool, we have to add some dependency jar files. That dependency jar files, we have to check each and every version is same type or not. For example, if you are working with Spring MVC, then by default we have to work with the Spring core only. Means whenever we are working with Spring MVC, we have to use a Spring core also. Suppose I am adding Spring MVC related 4.1.0 version jar file, then Spring core jar file also same version. Otherwise, some compatibility issues will become.
So according to this particular rule, you can think about autonomous system क्या बन गया मेरा LAN और WAN. मैं कह रही हूँ कि एक LAN और एक WAN से मेरा autonomous system बन रहा है क्या? नहीं. It is going to be isolated. It is going to be include multiple LANs and WANs within a city. Suppose if we think about it, कि मुझे एक city को पुणे itself is a one autonomous system. Mumbai is one of the another autonomous system. So whenever I am going to share some of my data within the Pune city, my routing protocols are different. But whenever I want to share some data from Pune to Mumbai or Pune to Chennai, Pune to Delhi, any of the city in India, my routing protocols are going to be changed, right? So based on your autonomous system, your routing protocols are going to be decided. So based on this theory, we can say routing protocols are nothing but have been divided into two parts, interior and exterior, or you may call it as interior and intra route.